Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu's recommendations if the app keeps showing you useless or random stuff. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here's what's really going on. Temu uses AI to recommend products based on what you search, click, and even scroll past. But once the algorithm gets it wrong, it keeps feeding you more of the same junk. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Temu app, go to your profile, then scroll down and tap on Browsing History. Delete the ones that you don't like. Here, you have to delete every single product that you don't like. This wipes out all the confusing signals you have sent Temu over time. Now here's the trick. Spend a few minutes only clicking on products you actually like. Don't just browse randomly. Click into categories you want more of. Scroll slowly and maybe even add a few to your wishlist. This tells the AI to shift its focus. And bonus tip, if your feed is completely broken, you can also go to the settings and log out, then log back in. That resets temporary tracking and often refreshes the suggestions. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.